Paano mag-crochet ng 2 rows of mesh stitches ng sabay? Mag-chain tayo in odd numbers. So, ako mag-chain ako ng 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then, mag-add tayo ng 8 chains para sa turning chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pagkatapos nyan, yarn over twice. Then sa 5th chain, 3, 4, 5. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Tapos, yarn over ulit tayo. Skip natin yung 3 chains. And do sa 4th chain. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. 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 So, nakadalawa na tayo ng rows ng mesh stitch. Ngayon, mag-chain 1 tayo. And then, yarn over twice. Insert under the 2 loops. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 muna. And then, yarn over. Skip yung isang chain and into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. So, bale, pangalawang row na natin ng 2 mesh stitches. Ngayon, uulitin lang natin yan. So, mag-chain 1 tayo. Yarn over twice. Ipasok dun sa dalawang 2 loops. Ngayon, yarn over, pull up a loop tayo. Yarn over, pull through 2 lang muna. Yarn over, skip natin yung isang chain. Insert into the next. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. 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 So, ulitin lang natin yan hanggang sa makarating tayo sa last row. So, yarn over and then skip chain 1. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. So, sa mga nagmamadali or gagawa lang ng 2 rows, pwede rin kasi siya as headband. Pwede nyo gamitin itong technique na ito. So, after yarn over na twice, insert under the 2 loops, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, skip mo yung isang chain, then pull up a loop. Yan. Kita nyo, madali lang siya, di ba? So, ganun lang kadali ang mag-work ng 2 rows of mesh stitches at the same time. Ganyan lang po siya. Pwede kayong gumawa ng strap gamit ito or kahit anong project ang naiisip nyo. Pwede ring headband. Mas maganda kung cotton ang gagamitin nyo na yarn. Kasi presko siya. And then, paso sa 2 loops. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yan, nasa last stitch na tayo. Yarn over. Skip na natin yung isang chain. Pinaka last chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yan. Line lang natin to para mipit siya. So, ito na ang ating 2 rows of mesh stitch at the same time.